glazed eyes. Okay, let's get to it. Yeah. Silas, this is gonna be. You're not letting me open it. What is that? It's kind of like weird. So look at this is the stuff to activate it, okay? Guys, look at that. It's weird. You know, like it's glittery. Literally like glue. So it's like it's a cup. Like slime cup. This is a stick. This is a spoon. And these are our instructions. This is probably something. So I'm trying to aim this out. This is like salt. Silas got his phone. Okay, now we're gonna put all the ingredients together. Yay! We gotta put 1 spoon of sodium and 150 cup of water. We gotta stir it up. Stir. Oh no. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's a spoonful. Let's mix it all up. Oh. Hello. Guys, it's a spoonful of baking soda. Let's pour it in. I'm kind of different. Mix mine.
Okay, now.
What? Ready for mine?
You go for it.
Okay, Silas. Oh my, Dad. Can I drink it?
No.
No.
No, is it working? Did you do this right? I don't know if it's doing it. It says that it's gonna get messy, but I'm not seeing nothing happen here. Are you guys?
Yes. This is crazy! No, that's crazier. That's way crazier. Yeah, it's way crazier, guys. It's like weird. This is how a slime turned out. Only this turned out to be good.
Show me a slime. Okay.
You just have to keep playing with it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell, and make sure to get to the next channel. The next channel is gonna be on my dad's channel. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell and do everything. Bye. Bye.